When choosing something as important as a home-based business, you choose to know all of your options and discover the one that will fit you and your lifestyle best. At this time are a few different types of online businesses to help you narrow down your choices so that you can discover the one that will make you the most successful you can be. MLM, multi-level marketing, is probably the most thought of business type when someone says they work from home. There are lots and lots of MLM or network marketing type businesses out there. The idea of network marketing has been around for decades, and despite its mostly pessimistic connotation, it is a simple, low-cost way to work from home. Network marketing works like this, in a nutshell. You market a product or service, and at the same time you are building a team to marketing that same product and service. So you get paid on your efforts and also the efforts of your team members. If you're new to working online or you don't know a lot about starting your own business, MLM could be a great thing for you. Selling products online. Many people decide to simply sell products online. Many people use Segway to do things and are able to run a very successful business from it. However, you can also set up your own website if you wish. Depending on what you choose to sell, you'll either have to buy or make your own products, which can cost quite a bit of money to start, but if you get pleasure from it, can be very fulfilling. The main thing here is to start slow. You don't want to spend $10,000 on product only to find out that you have a problematical time selling it. Still, given the right product and the right website, many people make good money selling things online. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways by far to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is when someone else has made a product, usually an online product like a book, and they pay you a commission to sell it for them. This is helpful for you and the person who originally created the product. Affiliate marketing is very low cost, which makes it great for someone who is new to working online. And after you understand how to do it effectively, you can do a lot of money in a short period of time. But the most significant, you must realize an adequate education and training in internet network marketing. So if you're thinking just about working online, do research and find out the best business type for you. There is nothing greater than making money from home, and once you start, you'll never want to go back.